Now finally unboxing the light cargo barrier for the Patrol Y61. So what it does is it goes across the backrest of those two back seats, so it stops anything from falling on top of the kids. As you can see, I've got two baby seats there, two young kids. It just makes it safer for them, so in case I break or something like that and things go flying, it just makes it a lot safer and more secure. So the unboxing of the light cargo barrier begins. Part 1. So here's the barrier unpacked, how it looks like prior to being installed. It looks simple, but there's a few little jobs that need to be done. Like need to remove the old Jesus bar on the side. Need to move the headrests. So you guys know, so the headrests need to be removed. So these ones can be installed. There's two, one on each side. The handbars need to be removed also. So then these two can also be installed. Once those two are installed, you then the barrier then goes across the top, goes across the back of the seat, hooked onto that. Yep, the bolts and nuts. And yeah, so that's the unpacking. That's how it looks like. It's a good size barrier. It will look amazing once it's finished, and I'll do part 3 once it's all done. Thanks. Hi guys, Nuno here from Crazy Adventures 4x4. Just quick update on the barrier. So pulled it out of the box, plastic on, like there's the over cover gear. Beautiful weather, and there it is. Barrier has been installed. Amazing work, Kaon. Fits perfect on the back of the Patrol. Be plenty of room now to put all the stuff, compact it all in, and ready for the next trip. Once again guys, thank you for watching. Keep following our page so I can keep making more videos and supporting more business partners and more companies throughout Australia. Thanks again.